everybody, and welcome to my channel. I am Kayla Logan, and today I am sitting down with the very beautiful, the very talented, the very inspirational Cassidy from the Powderroom. Woo! And we partnered with our friends from Charlotte Tilbury, and she's going to be doing an incredible, we're doing like a smoky eye look.
Yeah, like a kind of bronzy eye with like a darker lip. Yeah,
perfect.
Yeah.
And we're gonna take you through that. And after Cassidy's done creating this beautiful, incredible look, because she is a professional makeup artist, I, at home, being the beauty blogger, that's my new thing now. Booty. Yeah, booty blogger. I'm a booty blogger. I gotta keep it original. I will attempt to recreate it, and you will probably watch me just melt down. So. Let's get
doing well.
Exactly.
Let's jump into it.
I love our personality in this one. I feel like the first one we were like getting to know each other. And we're like, oh, that's what
totally.
you do.
Okay, so we're gonna just go in with the color Chameleon Amber Haze for brown eyes. It's pretty specific.
Like straight up,
yeah.
Only if you have brown eyes
can wear this. This one's for hazel eyes, green. Do you want to go green or do you want to go brown?
Whatever you think is better.
Well, I was gonna go brown, but it tells me that hazel eyes should be using green, so.
But I do like the brown.
I know, but isn't that pretty?
That's gorgeous.
Okay,
I want to use that one.
Okay. I'm just gonna straddle you here again.
Please do.
So, we already have a base on, so we're just gonna start. I'm just gonna pack this all over her lid and take it up into the crease a bit.
Now, when you say crease, do you have to like overdraw your crease?
No. Yes, okay, yes you do, but I wouldn't do that with any kind of shimmer. Like I said, you want to keep all the shimmers pretty true to your natural crease.
Okay, cool. I know, it's so hard because when you film more than one in the same day, you have to reiterate.
Yeah, totally.
Because it's like, well, just watch the fucking last video, you'll get your answer.
Yeah, exactly, right?
That's what Jenna does sometimes. She's like, well, watch the damn last one and see what we used. I'm like, okay, that's fair. I think people like love makeup, and it's so interesting to see how like different techniques and people use it and the colors. Like in our last look, we did like something very vibrant, 2 different eye looks. It was stunning, it was bold. This is gonna be more of your like basic white bitch.
No offense to all you basic white bitches out there.
It's gonna see this.
Yeah.
Like, well, I'll decide upon editing if we will keep that part in.
Oh my god, this girl.
What would we call it? Like conservative wasp?
Connecticut.
Thank you. Upstate New York.
Yeah.
You know what? I think your way is much better. By the way, I really do love Charlotte Tilbury products. I do use a couple of her palettes. This is no insult to her at all. Like her products are incredible.
But yeah, it's much more. Yeah, we're doing like a more wearable, I guess. If you want to say that, I think every kind of look of makeup is wearable, but
yeah.
So basically, because that was a cream pencil eyeshadow.
Yes.
So I'm just using just a little dome shaped brush.
Okay.
I'm just blending out the edges, just kind of softening them up.
Okay, perfect.
So no other product, it's just still all that pencil.
Now, if people don't have brushes, can they get similar techniques with their fingers, or?
Not really. You kind of need to get some brushes. I mean, you can definitely use your fingers for some things, but the majority of things you need a brush for.
Okay.
Like you won't get a smooth enough blend with your finger. I mean, with cream products, you can get away with it a bit more. Yeah. But yeah, you definitely want.
Yeah, because I've seen friends whip out fingers and do their makeup, and I'm like,
whoa.
I'm like, that's a thing?
Yeah.
Which is okay if you can't afford brushes, like you do you.
Yeah. But just to achieve certain looks, you're gonna wanna.
But I think you can, like you were saying, you get some of your brushes from Shoppers and Rexall.
Oh yeah,
so there are more affordable options.
Definitely affordable options.
And like I thought you had to get them all from Sephora and spend like a cajillion dollars to have that perfect look. Yeah. So I'm really happy to hear you say that.
Not at all. So now we're gonna do under your eyes. So I think we're just gonna use one product on your eyes.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is like literally like a 5-minute look kind of thing?
Yeah. It's just a really pretty color. And this you should be able to recreate.
I know, right as you said that, I was like, I can do this.
Yeah, you totally can. Anybody can.
Oh, and they gave that red lip. Are we gonna do a red lip?
We're gonna do that dark. Yeah, like the dark lip.
Yes.
Yeah, with the.
This is gonna be really nice.
Yeah.
This is like gonna be like a good work look.
Mm-hmm.
A good Saturday brunch look.
Mm-hmm. If you're walking from Connecticut.
Exactly. It's a good basic bitch look.
God, stop.
Part of me does not want to take that out because I just think it makes the video. People would be like, yeah, that's totally on
True.
I used their...
It's very editorial though, I find. Like, I feel like a lot of photo shoots, like, use one product. Like, they use one eyeshadow. Yeah. Like, it's not...
I didn't know that.
Like, it's all very monotone.
Okay.
And stuff that they can do for runways, like, quickly, right? Like, they're...
Oh.
Like, they want to do stuff that, like, you know, you can transform quickly. Like, this is an amazing product. I'm actually, like, stoked about this. Like, I would totally use this in my kit.
Okay, cool.
Like,
that's good to hear. I feel like that's the highest compliment when, like, a makeup artist said that's something they want in their kit.
Yeah, totally. Because you could, it's like, this is your eyes are done. You know what I mean? I'm going to do lashes and I'm going to put a bit of brown in your waterline, but, like...
Oh, fuck, this is amazing.
Yeah, so it's pretty
This is going to be a very, like, relatable video, I feel.
So I'm just going to put some glue on your lashes.
Now, okay, so we're reusing lashes we used from the first video we did because we're filming a couple today, which is fine.
Yeah.
How do I get the glue off them? Did you already peel it off?
Yeah, I already picked it off.
So right away, do you take it off?
So I just like hold the one, like the ends of the lash, and then literally just peel. Like
okay,
this,
cool.
And just peel from.
Now, if it hardens, is it like, did you kind of ruin it or are you still? Okay.
You can wear them, like I get like literally 20 wears out of some lashes.
Wait, actually? Oh my God, I had so many lashes from makeup artists that I used once and then I threw them out.
Yeah, no, you can wear them more than that. These ones, I like, these ones aren't as like, because the band is thinner, you see, like, so they don't last quite as long as some of the ones with the thicker bands. Like some of the mink lashes and stuff, like, you can get tons of wears out of them.
Now, what lashes are these ones that you're using?
These are Ardell Demi Wispies.
And where do you purchase them?
Just at, like, Choppers or
Rexall
Walmart.
or okay, cool. Or Walgreens in the States.
Yeah.
Okay, so like you don't have to buy like, you know, $20 lashes.
No.
What's your opinion on the MAC lashes? That's what I used to buy.
I don't wear those.
Okay, cool.
I just find they're overpriced.
Right? They're really expensive.
Yeah, like I would prefer like a fluffier lash for that price. Yeah. You can get at Sephora.
Okay.
They're pretty cheap.
Look down.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have just a, did you get a tint or a lift?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we got down.
I couldn't maintain the eyelash extensions. They were a lot of work.
Mm-hmm.
And I refuse to sleep on my back because I have really bad sciatica.
Oh.
Yeah, so I had to like sleep on my side or on my face. Like literally, like I sleep like
face plant.
Like I'm gonna have so many wrinkles from just like a scrunch face. Like, but yeah, so they weren't manageable for me. So they did the lash lift and tint yesterday. But after getting my lashes off, I was like, did my lashes fall out? Why are they so short? She's like, no, these are what your lashes look like before. I was like, oh. This is disappointing.
I thought I would just have beautiful thick lashes.
Right? Because when I went in, I was like, they're like, what kind of aesthetic do you want? And this is my answer for everything. Drag queen.
Yeah.
She's like, okay.
Yeah. For Kayla's lip, we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood lips. This is Dangerous. I can't even say what this says. Dangerous Liason. Is that what that says? I can't even read it.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so I'm gonna use never used this product before, so I'm gonna
have just once.
Just put it on the back of my
thing. It straight looks like it looks like a lipstick.
It does look like a lipstick.
Yeah,
it's
like exactly like a lipstick.
It's way less like liquidy than like a liquid lipstick.
Yeah.
Like normally they like pool up. This actually looks like lipstick.
Yeah. It literally looks like she chalked lipstick on her hand.
Yeah.
I don't think chalk's the word, but you get what I'm saying.
Yeah. I'm just gonna use the brush.
No liner for this?
No. I think this might be the liner, and then I might go in with the little But it's the texture of it is like a regular lipstick, like from the tube.
That's really cool.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I'm thinking that's all like we're gonna do. Like that was super easy. You literally use 2 products and I think it looks really pretty and really polished.
I haven't seen it yet, but I'm really excited to take a look and put it on Instagram, of course.
Yeah.
So I think this is like what, the perfect like 5-10 minute get ready look.
Totally. I mean, we already had a face, so we already had a base on.
Mm-hmm.
But I think, yeah, in terms of eye products and a lip, like, you can't really go wrong. Yeah.
This was incredible. You can find Cassidy at
The Powderroom on Instagram with 3 O's or www.thepowderroom.com.
Perfect. Okay, thank you for joining in today. That's what you thought below and what kind of looks you want to see in the future. Click that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.